Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, May 29th, 2019. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Well, it is going to be a very active day throughout the Mid-Atlantic because of a very complicated weather setup where we have a frontal boundary stalled over the region, basically right now bisecting Long Island and coming up through northern New Jersey and then back through northeastern Pennsylvania. You can pretty much see where this frontal boundary divides the warm air to the south and the cool air to the north. Where that frontal boundary sets up this afternoon will tell us where the strong to severe thunderstorms are going to set up and also where we're going to see some very heavy rainfall as well. So this is going to be a very stormy afternoon. So if you have plans, let's say after 3 p.m. throughout the region, you might want to delay them or find a venue indoors because it is not going to be pretty outside with the threat for some of these thunderstorms to produce, much like yesterday, large hail, vivid lightning, wind gusts over 60 miles per hour, and yes, the potential for a tornado or two. So we're going to watch this setup very, very carefully. And in terms of temperatures, well, to the south of the boundary, it's summer. To the north, it's early spring. You're talking about temperatures ranging anywhere from easily the mid to upper 60s around Long Island, and then as you head down towards Philadelphia, mid to upper 80s. So it's going to be a rather volatile day, that is for sure, throughout the region. On the latest satellite picture, you can see the stationary boundary with plenty of moisture in the atmosphere. So what we're going to be watching for are these little waves of low pressure that are going to be exiting out of the Ohio River Valley, tracking through Pennsylvania, and as a result, this boundary will be wavering north and south. While it's doing so, it will ignite showers and thunderstorms, and some of those thunderstorms to the south of wherever this boundary sets up this afternoon will support severe thunderstorms. I want to make this very clear. Even though that the threat, the best potential right now from the SPC is central New Jersey, southern New Jersey, and southeastern Pennsylvania, basically the Philadelphia metro, if this boundary ends up further north, let's say up towards Connecticut, you can easily include locations like Scranton, northwestern New Jersey, the Hudson River Valley, and Long Island. So I would not let your guard down, even though that threat potential is lower right now from the SPC. Everyone needs to be on guard. And by the way, even if you don't get a severe thunderstorm, because of all the moisture in the atmosphere, it can lead to some very heavy rainfall, which means flash flooding and urban flooding as well. So any way you slice it, it is going to be a rather stormy afternoon. So let's dive into this forecast. Okay, so our frontal boundary is wavering north and south. To the north of the frontal boundary, you're talking about temperatures ranging from the mid-60s to mid-70s for highs. To the south of the frontal boundary, upper 70s to mid-80s, a few upper 80s as you head down towards southern New Jersey, especially if you get a little bit more sunshine mixed in there. And then after about 3 p.m., strong to severe thunderstorms will be marching through the region with periods of heavy rainfall, potential for flash flooding, urban flooding, wind gusts over 60 miles per hour, hail, frequent lightning, tornadoes. It's just going to be a mix of everything. So definitely we're going to be very busy this afternoon and evening. For tonight, that frontal boundary lifts north, and as a result, temperatures will basically only fall into the upper 50s to mid 60s for lows. Of course, the further south you are, the more humid it will be. And then tomorrow afternoon, another low pressure approaches, this time with a stronger cold front. Look for showers and strong to severe thunderstorms once again. Basically the same setup once again in terms of temperatures. Look for temperatures ranging from the upper 60s to mid 70s to the north of the boundary and upper 70s to mid 80s to the south. A little bit more cloud cover, so I don't think we'll see upper 80s, but we'll have to keep an eye on that. By Friday morning, all of this clears out. So early Friday morning, we could see a few lingering showers and thunderstorms, followed by clearing skies, let's say by about 8 a.m. And then after that, basically, high pressure builds in with a nice northwesterly wind. Temperatures on Friday range from the upper 50s to lower 60s for lows and mid to upper 70s for highs. On Saturday, high pressure starts to exit. Watch out for an area of low pressure approaching by about evening with a few showers. Not a washout, but definitely keep an eye to the sky. Look for temperatures to range from the upper 50s for lows and upper 70s to lower 80s for highs. On Sunday, a series of low pressure and a cold front will be moving through the region with periods of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 60s, highs in the mid 60s to lower 70s. On Monday, that front boundary slowly leaves with showers in the morning, followed by clearing skies in the afternoon. Look for lows in the lower 60s, highs in the upper 60s to mid 70s. On Tuesday and Wednesday, high pressure will be in control with clear skies. A bit cool though. Lows in the mid 40s to lower 50s, highs in the mid 60s to lower 70s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. And as always, please stay safe out there.